Welcome to Talk with Spake, a calm place to slow down and breathe.
A place where we speak softly, think clearly, and learn gently.
Before we begin, let me ask you something. Have you ever stood in front of people and suddenly your heart started beating fast?
Your hands felt cold, your mouth felt dry, and your thoughts disappeared.
You prepared your words, you practiced at home, but in that moment,
Your voice felt lost.
if this has ever happened to you,
You are not weak.
you are human. Today, we are not here to teach you how to be perfect,
Today, we are here to help you feel calm.
because when you are calm,
Your voice comes back,
your thoughts slow down.
and speaking feels lighter. Let's start with something simple.
Speed.
When we feel nervous,
We speak faster.
fast speaking makes the mind more anxious.
Slow speaking tells the brain,
I am safe.
so when you speak publicly,
Slow down your words.
add small pauses.
Pauses are not mistakes.
Pauses are calm signals.
Now let's talk about breath.
Breath is your anchor.
Before you speak,
Take one slow breath in
hold gently.
and breathe out slowly.
This takes only seconds
But it changes your body. Let's talk about your body.
because your body speaks before your words do.
When we feel nervous,
Our shoulders rise,
our posture tightens.
and the body sends one message.
I'm scared.
So here is a calm adjustment.
Before you speak,
Place your feet firmly on the ground.
relax your shoulders.
Keep your spine gently straight.
This posture tells your brain,
I am stable.
and stability creates calm.
Now let's talk about your voice.
When people feel nervous,
Their voice becomes higher.
or softer, or shaky,
Instead of forcing volume,
focus on warmth.
speak from your chest, not your throat.
Lower your tone slightly,
Not to sound serious.
but to sound grounded.
A calm voice calms you first.
Today, we are talking about something very real: public speaking.
Meetings, presentations, classrooms, stages,
Moments where many eyes look at you.
and your mind feels heavy.
In this episode,
You will learn
how to calm your body
how to steady your voice.
and how to stay present while speaking in public.
Slowly, step by step, together.
Let's begin with something important.
Public speaking feels hard, not because you are bad at speaking.
But because your brain thinks,
You are in danger.
it asks questions like, what if I make a mistake? What if they judge me?
Your body reacts first.
Fast heartbeat, tight chest, short breath.
This reaction is natural.
It is not failure.
Your body is trying to protect you.
It prepares you to run or freeze.
But here is the gentle truth.
You are not in danger.
You are just about to speak.
And when your body understands this,
Calm becomes possible.
many people say, I need confidence to speak.
But confidence does not come first.
Calm comes first.
Confidence grows after calm.
So today,
We are not chasing confidence.
we are building calm. This moment scares many speakers.
Standing there, and suddenly,
Nothing comes to mind.
if this happens,
Do not rush.
do not apologize quickly.
Simply pause
Take one breath.
and say one grounding sentence.
Let me explain this clearly.
That sentence buys time.
And your thoughts return slowly. Mistakes happen to everyone.
Even experienced speakers.
A wrong word?
A missed point.
A pause that feels long.
Here is the calm truth.
Most people don't notice.
And if they do,
They forget quickly.
so when a mistake happens,
Smile softly.
continue.
Your calm response matters more than perfection
Eye contact feels intense,
because it feels personal.
so don't look at everyone.
Look at one person for one sentence.
Then move gently.
This makes connection feel safe.
You are not performing.
You are sharing. Here is something important.
People don't remember every word.
They remember how you made them feel.
Calm,
Clear.
present,
So don't aim to impress.
aim to connect. Preparation helps.
But over-preparing adds pressure.
Instead of memorizing,
Understand your main points.
3 ideas are enough.
When you understand,
You speak naturally.
just before speaking,
Do one thing.
place your hand on your chest
Take one slow breath.
and remind yourself.
I am safe.
That thought changes your body.
Calm speaking is not talent.
It is practice.
Each time you speak,
You learn something.
each calm moment.
Builds confidence quietly.
Many speakers worry about one thing.
What are they thinking about me?
This thought creates pressure.
So let's gently change it.
Instead of thinking, they are judging me,
Think, I am helping them understand.
this shift is powerful.
You move from fear,
To service.
and service feels calm.
Here is a quiet truth.
Everyone in the room,
Is thinking about themselves.
not about your small mistakes.
They are wondering,
How does this help me?
so give them value.
Speak clearly.
Speak calmly.
That is enough. Some people think,
Public speaking needs big words.
but simple words?
Create strong connection.
When you use simple language
Your mind stays calm.
and your audience stays with you,
Clarity beats complexity. Feeling nervous energy.
is normal.
Do not try to kill it.
Redirect it.
Use it to add warmth
And presence.
to your voice.
Calm is not empty.
Calm is focused energy.
Let's talk more about pauses.
Pauses give meaning to words,
They give your audience time.
and they give you space.
If you feel rushed,
Pause longer than feels comfortable.
that pause
Feels calm to listeners. Questions can feel scary.
especially unexpected ones.
So here is a calm rule.
You don't need to answer immediately.
Listen fully,
Pause.
then help your thoughts arrive.
Calm answers.
Sound confident.
You don't need a stage to practice.
Practice calm speaking daily.
When ordering food,
When speaking in meetings,
when sharing ideas,
slow your words.
lower your voice.
These small moments.
Build big calm.
Fear may come back.
That's okay.
Don't fight it.
Acknowledge it.
Say softly inside,
I feel nervous. And I'm safe.
this acceptance.
Brings calm faster. One last thing for now.
You don't need to copy speakers.
You don't need to act confident.
Your calm style.
Is enough.
Speak as you.
Calm. Present. Real.
Let's talk about something quiet, but very powerful.
Your inner voice.
Just before you speak publicly,
You talk to yourself.
sometimes gently,
Sometimes very harshly.
that inner voice decides how calm you feel.
So let's soften it.
Instead of saying, I must not mess up,
Say, I will speak calmly, one sentence at a time.
Kind inner words.
Create calm outer speech.
Many people chase confidence.
But confidence comes and goes.
Presence stays.
Presence means you are here,
Not in the future.
not in judgment.
Just here, with your words.
Presence feels calmer than confidence. Let's build a simple routine.
Something you can do every time.
1 minute before speaking,
Stand still.
feel your feet.
Relax your jaw.
Lower your shoulders.
Take one slow breath.
Say inside, I am ready enough.
That routine signals calm. Public speaking feels intense.
Because it feels exposed.
But remember,
Exposure is not danger,
it is visibility.
and visibility does not harm you.
When you accept visibility,
Your body relaxes. Sometimes your heart still races.
that doesn't mean failure.
It means energy.
Let it move through you.
Don't label it fear.
Label it readiness.
That reframe reduces panic.
The first 30 seconds,
Decide everything.
if you begin slowly.
Your body follows.
So start with one calm sentence.
Pause.
Then continue.
The audience will wait. Silence feels scary.
But silence is not empty.
It is space.
Use it.
Respect it.
Silence makes your words land. Here's something comforting.
You are not alone.
The audience wants you to succeed.
They are listening, not attacking.
When you remember this
Calm returns each time you speak.
and stay calm
You build trust
with your voice,
with your body.
with yourself,
That trust stays, even when fear visits.
over time, something important happens,
You stop trying to act calm.
and you start being calm.
Calm becomes part of you,
Not because fear disappears.
but because you know how to handle it.
This is an identity shift.
I am someone who speaks calmly, even when nervous.
Calm speakers think differently.
They don't think, I must impress.
They think, I will be clear.
They don't fight nervousness.
They allow it and continue.
This mindset keeps pressure low. Sometimes we compare ourselves
To confident speakers,
to loud speakers.
to fast speakers.
Comparison creates tension.
So gently stop comparing.
Your calm style,
Is enough. Let's talk about what happens after.
after the presentation,
After the meeting,
after the speech,
many people replay mistakes.
they criticize themselves.
Instead, try this.
Ask one question.
What did I handle calmly?
Even one calm moment.
Counts.
Reflection is healthy.
Judgment is not.
Learn gently.
Notice progress,
Progress is often quiet.
but it is real. Calm does not grow only on stage.
It grows between talks,
In daily conversations,
in small meetings.
in listening moments,
Every calm interaction.
strengthens your speaking.
This is a process.
Not a quick fix.
Some days feel easy.
Some days feel hard.
Both are part of growth.
Trust the process. One gentle reminder
You are allowed
to grow slowly,
to speak imperfectly.
to pause.
To breathe
Slow growth.
is strong growth. As we move forward,
Keep calm in your body.
relaxed shoulders,
Steady feet.
soft breath.
Your body remembers calm. There is another side to calm public speaking.
Calm speaking is quiet leadership.
You don't raise your voice.
You raise clarity.
You don't rush people.
You guide them.
Calm speakers
Create trust without force. Many speakers perform.
They try to look confident.
They try to sound perfect.
But calm speakers are different.
They are authentic,
You speak as you are.
not as someone else.
Authenticity relaxes the body.
And relaxation brings calm.
Sometimes words feel heavy,
Your message feels important.
and pressure increases.
In those moments,
Return to simplicity.
say one clear sentence,
Pause.
then continue.
Simple words carry weight
Many people rush to finish,
because they want relief.
but calm speakers,
Stay present until the end.
they finish slowly.
They allow silence.
This leaves a strong impression.
Sometimes emotion rises while speaking.
Joy, fear, sadness.
You don't need to hide it.
You don't need to dramatize it.
Just acknowledge it inside.
Emotion plus calm creates depth. If your voice trembles,
Lower your speed.
let the tremble pass.
Don't fight it.
Fighting increases tension.
Acceptance softens the body. Public speaking is not only stages,
It's meetings,
presentations,
classrooms,
online calls. The same calm rules apply. Slow words, steady breath, clear intention.
nerves don't need to disappear
They can transform
into presence,
into focus.
into care.
When you stop resisting nerves,
They soften,
calm speaking is a long journey.
not a single moment.
Each talk,
Each meeting
each sentence,
is part of the journey.
you are already on it. Over time, calm speaking stops being something you do.
And starts becoming who you are.
You don't prepare to be calm,
You arrive calm,
not because fear is gone,
but because you trust yourself. Calm speakers speak with compassion
for the audience.
and for themselves.
They don't punish themselves.
For nervous moments,
They stay gentle.
compassion keeps the body relaxed.
Before a talk,
Instead of imagining failure,
imagine calm moments,
picture yourself pausing,
breathing.
speaking slowly,
This gentle rehearsal
trains the nervous system. Calm is not a one-day success.
it is built slowly.
Through many small talks,
Many small pauses.
many calm breaths,
This calm stays with you.
even outside speaking.
Some days won't go well.
You may feel shaky.
You may forget things.
That does not erase your progress,
One bad talk.
does not define you.
Return gently.
To calm, at its heart,
Public speaking is connection
one human speaking,
to other humans,
not performance,
not perfection.
just presence.
You don't need to be fearless.
You just need to stay present.
You don't need to sound perfect.
You just need to sound real.
Calm does the rest.
Before we end,
Let's do one last thing together.
wherever you are,
Place your feet on the ground.
relax your shoulders
Take one slow breath in.
and breathe out gently.
Feel that calm.
That calm is always available to you.
Thank you for staying with us
And slowing down,
today.
smile.
If this conversation helped you, even a little,
We are truly glad. Soft smile.
remember,
You don't need to rush.
you don't need to impress.
You just need to stay present
And kind.
to yourself
We will meet again.
in another calm conversation.
Until then,
Breathe slowly
speak gently.
and trust your voice.
This is
Talk with Spake.